How to list an item on eBay AU step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply like open your eBay, make sure that you are logged into your own account, right? So after doing that, there's nothing like complicated that you need to do. All you need to do is tap on the eBay icon that you'll be able to see right here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see selling section, right? So under it, there is the option of list an item. Simply tap on that one. Then from there, you can now go along with the process of how you'll be able to list an item. Now what you're going to do is like write down exactly what you are selling. Let's just say I'm going to sell a mobile, so I'm going to write down mobile and then simply search for it. Right now we're going to set all of the details of that mobile, so like exactly what brand. Let's just go with the LG one, and then from there, like which model, right? So mine's K42, and then select the storage capacity, and obviously you need to add more details. So let's just say it is like opened but never used, right? So you just like this, you will need to like set up all of the details of your item, and then from there you can now start uploading your photos. And just like this, here you can see these are all of the listing summary. And finally, all you need to do is tap on list it, or you can preview it, or you can save it for later. And when you do list it, you will be successfully be able to list an item on eBay just like this. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for the video.